Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Juicebox People GPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juicebox.work and press enter. Now if you click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed with logging into your account, you will find that there is no option from within to delete your account. So from the home page, without signing in, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and now you will find the email support option underneath support. Just click on email support and now this will directly open up your email application and you will be able to compose a new email to directly send to the support team. Now the to section is already filled up, so you will simply need to add a subject. Within the subject section, type in delete my account. Then within the main body, just type in that you wish your account to be deleted and you don't want to use it anymore. After typing in your message, make sure to only mention your username and not any other details. Then just send your email by clicking on the send button and then you will need to wait for the response from the support team. Once you receive any response within your email, you will find the step-by-step instructions that you can follow to delete your People GPT account from Juicebox. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on People GPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.